Good morning, students. Students, today we are doing MCQs of lesson number 2, the Himalayas, the Great Wall, that are on page number 129. So let's start. First question is, Himalayas stand on the dash edge of Indian subcontinent. हिमालय इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट के कौन से एज पर है? वेस्टर्न, नॉर्दर्न, सदर्न, none of them. So Himalayas stand on the northern edge of the Indian subcontinent. Number 2 is Himalayas are the highest mountain ranges in dash. Himalayas are the highest mountain ranges in the world, not in India, not in Asia, it is in the world. Number 3 is Himalayas are covered with dash. Snow, forest, stones, none of them. Himalayas are always covered with snow. Number 4, K2, the second highest mountain peak of the world, is in Pakistan, India, Nepal, none of them. K2, the highest mountain peak of the world, is in India. Okay, the highest, most highest mountain peak, that is Mount Everest, that is in Nepal, and K2, the second highest mountain peak, is in India. Number 5 is the slow moving river of snow is called. The slow moving river of snow is called a glacier. It is called a glacier, not a stream, not a river. It is called a glacier. Number 6 is Mount Everest is situated in. Mount Everest is situated in Bhutan, Nepal, Sikkim, none of them. Mount Everest is situated in Nepal. It is situated in Nepal. Number 7, a narrow passage through the mountains is called. A narrow passage through the mountains is called a pass, thoroughfare, river, none of them. It is called a pass. A narrow passage through the mountains is called a pass. Dash ranges are regarded as the storehouse of wood. Dash ranges are regarded as the storehouse of wood. Which ranges? Himadri, Shivalik, Himachal, none of them. So Shivalik ranges are regarded as the storehouse of wood because there are a large number of forests in Shivalik ranges. The famous Corbett National Park is located in. The famous Corbett National Park is located in Uttarakhand. It is situated in Uttarakhand, not Punjab, not Himachal Pradesh. Himalayas check the dash winds from China and Tibet. Himalayas check the dash winds from China and Tibet. Cold, hot, monsoon, none of them. So Himalayas check cold winds from China and Tibet. Which of these statement is correct? First one is the Himalayas protect us from the invasions of foreign countries. It is right. This is correct. The Himalayas check the cold winds of Tibet and China coming to India. This is also correct. The Himalayas cause heavy rainfall in northern plains. This is also correct. So there is no incorrect statement. All the statements are correct. So we will take all of these. What do we get from the pastures situated in the Himalayan region? Himalayan region में जो pastures हैं, जो चरागाह हैं, उनसे हमें क्या मिलता है? Wool, milk, meat, skin, both A and B, and none of these. So what grazes in pastures? The cattle grazes in pastures. So we get from them wool, milk, meat, skin. So we will write both A and B. Wool, milk, meat, and skin. All the things we get from them. So we will tick both A and B. Next one, which of these is not a correct match? First one is the Greater Himalayas, Himadri. The Lesser Himalayas, Himachal. The Lower Himalayas, Shivalik. The Greater Himalayas are called Himadri. The Lesser Himalayas called Himachal. And the Lower Himalayas are called Shivalik. All the matches are correct. So what should we tick? We will tick none of these. Okay, none of these. So here our MCQs are complete. I hope you understood. Thanks and have a nice day.